ngathi ngizomlanda uQueen ngizomlanda ngimbeke la mngani wami ngiyajabula kakhulu namhlanje ukuthi khona wena la studio angivamile ukuthi ngi-interviewe abantu engibajwayele ngi-interviewe umuntu engiphinde ngibe umngani naye ngiyajabula ukuthi khona wena namhlanje siyakwamukela kuKhozi FM siyakwamukela eShilo.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu kuba la eShilo. Mina ngumSotho but I try ukuthi ngifithe in ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Wena uzalwa umntwana nomsuthu nekhalathi
kuhlangahlangene
kodwa manje isiZulu yasikhuluma futhi namhlanje uzosikhuluma futhi iZulu A
ngizosikhuluma A plus to the second power.
Abantu bathi uQueen la uhamba khona namhlanje basakubiza ngoQueen kuphatha kanjani lokho?
You know, as Christians we say power of the tongue angithi whatever uyikhuluma ngomlomo wakho yenzeka
amandla
solimini so manje ngibiza Queen ngishaya pha ngibeka phambili. Yes, it derives from uQueen generations and all of that, but yazi uNkulunkulu make efuna ukubeka in a certain place athi you are my royalty, you are my queen, you are my daughter, the daughter of the most high God athi igama lakho Queen. And then after that mawusuka la bekakubeke khona athi you are still going to remain being queen, and in fact ngizok elevator eventually ngikubiza king because we are small kings of the kingdom.
Ngibonile mngani usubhala ukuthi uking
ngisenguking
uking Sophie ngibonile ukuthi uking Sophie ivelaphi lena
ivela it's from a dream. uNkulunkulu wangitshela ukuthi from now on there's so many queens out there, but because I want to elevate ngifuna ukurenew, ngifuna ukukunika a new season, ngifuna ukubeka la abanye bangakazi baye khona because when you've paid the price.
Ungena emlilweni
waphuma wangibonisa ukuthi you still trust me through it all. So manje ngizok elevator ngikunikeza igama lethu Queen uking
King Sophie
athi ngiyak elevator ngiyak upgrade. Yazi uNkulunkulu udila nge-upgrade siswami udila nge-upgrade akuthathela akubeke la athi you're going to sit with kings.
Asibuyele ekhaya asibuyele emuva. Uma ngabe ngibheka ngiyababona abanye baya debate bayaphikisana abanye bayabhala ku Facebook bathi hayi akasiyeni waseningizimu Afrika owaseZimbabwe lo akazange azazalelwe eningizimu Afrika. Cacisela abalaleli uzalelwe
athi bacacisele mina siswami ngizalelwe eBaragwanath Hospital, now you call it Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital, kodwa mangizalwa mina beyibizwa eSoweto beyibizwa Baragwanath Hospital eBara. Ngizalelwe eBara ngakhuliswa ugogo nomkhulu nomama nobaba. Ukuya kwami eZimbabwe is very simple. Uma wami had a father bekanamakhosikazi amabili. Am I saying it right? Amakhosikazi amabili, South African, Zimbabwean. Uma wami beku ugogo wami was unkosikazi wase South Africa manje emamayinini lapha eKimberley. And then ngazala uma wami through that marriage, the second marriage. And then mina ke obviously nginama roots eSouth Africa ngaze ngaba nama roots because umkhulu wami eZimbabwe. That's how I became umntana seZimbabwe because umkhulu wami ubaba kama is Zimbabwe.
Wafika eZimbabwe wahlala khona asiqale la umkhulu nogogo badlala indima enkulu empilweni yakho. Ukhuluma kancane ngomama nobaba, ukhuluma kakhulu ngogogo isikhathi esiningi. Sitshele kungani ufundeni kumkhulu nogogo?
You know, especially ugogo wangifundisa ama values. Yazi for me to even after ngisuke ngimncane I had a foundation. Ayikho foundation endlule foundation kaNkulunkulu ethi ngikutshela isekelo. You know, any house that does not have a strong foundation ayikhuli ayibe strong ayibe solid even if ama-storm figure it remains solid, you understand? So that's solidifying ngithole kugogo nomkhulu, especially ugogo because bekahamba isonto sishama all night prayers lala phansi ayendlala ingubo athi mntanami lala lapho mawuvuka kusathanda and then you realize ukuthi this is the movement that I need to be part of as umntwana ngoba sithola ama cake sithola ama sweet la kumnandi kuhlala kunokudla okundlule esekhaya. So uNkulunkulu sometimes draw as a child to his ambience. I use certain things, you know, and as a child mina bengayelanga ukuthandaza ngimncane ngazi ukuthi ukuthandaza yini, but in that ambience I felt safe. So when you live kuNkulunkulu you understand the safety that you have.
Bakufundisa uNkulunkulu gogo nomkhulu.
Foundation.
Asihambeke siyofika eZimbabwe. Wafika eZimbabwe wafunda wahlala kahle kwamnandi wakhula. Ufika kanjani orphanage?
Orphanage is very simple. Bengihlala nosisi wami, my mother bekanomunye usiswami that she had before isikhathi sami.
Okay.
And she was already married in Zimbabwe because obviously umkhulu Zimbabwe, so obviously that's our other roots angithi. So wahamba ke wayoshadela khona waba nabantwana wahlala kwenye farm wathi uzohlala nami. Mina in that ambience sis, I always believe in testifying and talking truth, right? And mina ke mangihlala lapho ngabona brother-in-law ungathi angimthembi kahle. Yazi umkhonyana kasisi ngambona ngathi angimthembi kahle. Ngiyabona umuntu beke kubheka ukucabuza in a certain way.
Ngathi la ngalesi sikhathi
ngina 7-8 somewhere there.
Uyabona ukuthi hayi la ngathi
ugogo
nomsobonakala.
Yes, foundation. Ugogo nomkhulu bese bangifundisile ukuthi umuntu omdala makenza lokho ku wrong.
Mekuthinta kanje noma ekubuka kanje.
Angifunda ngesikole ngifuna ugogo. So by the time yalapha bese ngixavile bese ngihlaka phile mangifika laphana sekaqala lama random insinuations ukubonisa ukuthi wena one day ngavela ngabhalela uma wami incwadi ngathi ozongithatha sengifuna boarding school manje.
Uma wakhula eSouth Africa
sase Soweto usithengisela ama cake usithengisela ama kote esikole usithengisela ama cold drink ama ice ama kip yabona labo gogo labo mama labo abasebenzayo bayaphanda nje in anything yathengisa nje you know and ngaleso sikhathi baba uyagula so she was the breadwinner ngalama magwinyana nani and ngambhalela incwadi ngathi ozongithatha gibela itrain uzongithatha ungise boarding school. Obviously as a child I was ukuthi boarding school in a price I was ukuthi kuyakhokha I was ufuna nje boarding school ukuthi mangasuka nje la and by that time wafika kwi Christmas ngamhlebela ngathi ngicela ukuhamba nge boarding school ngicela ungithembe. Wathi wayefuna ukuhamba ngathi ngicela ungithembe azange samtshela ukuthi what was the real reason why ngifuna ukuphuma kulomuzi ngithe nje I want to be with other kids. Wathi masikunabantwana kulendlu ngathi not these ones I want others to stimulate me.
Emdala kodwa I'm sure wabona ukuthi khona into ekhona. Okay.
Do you know my mother didn't even ask me after that until mhlambe sengimdala athi what was that ngamtshela.
Wawuboneni wathathwa wahamba kodwa ugcina uye boarding school manje uya ekhaya lezintandane orphanage kanjani?
Process kaNkulunkulu sisi it's so interesting. You know uNkulunkulu makefuna ukuprepare for lento ezovela later ukukufundisa ukuthi this is what la ngizokuhambisa khona later on. Ushaya nayo foundation yakhe in another way. So kungena kwami kwi-orphanages because imali yokuthi ngiye ku boarding school yeqiniso bengekho.
Ngizwa kahle.
Ngaleso sikhathi anginamaphepha aright esikolweni so mawungene ngeorphanage abantwana balahliwe. So whether you've got documentation or you don't, they give you a new identity. So ngaphiwa a new identity. Bengisabizwa Sophie, kodwa ngaphiwa a new surname, a new ID, a new everything because ngiyintandane anginamaphepha. That's how I got into the orphanage.
Kahle sasingakhuluma iqiniso kwafanele ukuthi nawe uthi awunabazali ukuze uhlale la.
Vele ngishilo. Ngabriefwa ukuthi mawla mabekhala uyakhala. Mabethi I miss my mom now I miss my mom. Owashona uma. So but I was already smart. Phela ngikhulisa ugogo wangihlakanipha kudala. Wangiprepare kudala so bese ngihlakaniphe into emangalisayo. So by the time we feel orphanage bangibuza ngithi I also miss my mom and you know and mabethi makukhala uyakhala but the amazing thing about the orphanage let me tell you was also leveling up relationship yami noNkulunkulu.
Kanjani?
Bekunesonto right in the orphanage bekune chapel you know like a hospital mawubukela ama movie kuthiwa hey umuntu ku ICU asambe somthandazela khona la isibedlela so that there mafuna ukuyothandaza the chapel was there ukuthi it wasn't big it wasn't a church but it was somewhere where you kneel down and you say God let me talk to you so mina uNkulunkulu ugogo ngifundisile ukuthi you need to have a personal relationship noNkulunkulu
bakho wena wedwa noNkulunkulu
ungameli umfundisi ukuthi uzothi come to God you must know who God is have a relationship so that when you seek him umfundisi angekho you are able to enter that channel of conversation noNkulunkulu and you don't have to wait for Sunday. Abantu abaningi bameli Sunday. So my lesson was that you go to the chapel any day, every day, anytime. Even your own bedroom is a chapel. You just choose a corner. And that is what I was doing because that's what brought me closer to uNkulunkulu.
Yakufundisa ngoNkulunkulu ukuhlala ekhaya lezintandane siqhubeke nempilo wagcina ubuyile weza eNingizimu Afrika. Kodwa manje kuyangichaza lokho ukuthi iphupho lakho usemncane wawuyibona nje umodela. Yeah.
Oh yes. Mangise I mean, when you go to the orphanage, obviously I ended up living nama foster families.
Okay.
And but in the same area, but you know, so tata people that knew my grandfather's family. No, lomtana lo, it's very smart. Uzosebenza kuma shop wethu. That story, I'll come to it. And then I became a model, but modeling started ngama beauty pageant esikolweni, and ngitshelwa nje ukuthi yes lomntana muhle man, ngabona ukuthi bahlale bangitshela ebhasini ukuthi ngimuhle. Why ngamshayile into modeling? Because I didn't get a degree. So when I came back home as a pregnant teenager, by the way, I then ngihlaze family, my mother is still where she was.
Emazweni eZimbabwe ubuya nesisu manje uzala ekhaya.
Awubuyi ne-certificate.
Ubuya nesisu eZimbabwe.
But you see,
uneminyaka emingaki ngalesi sikhathi?
17.
My goodness.
So when I ngifike endlini ngatshela ugogo nomama ngathi ngicela ningixolele, and then ngicela mama kule 175 rand pension yakho. My mother was on sick pension, and ugogo so the pension yakhe ukudla 150. Siloko sithatha amakhabishi kulama trolley, yabona lama trolley andlulayo estradweni, uthatha ikhabishi, uthatha amatapule ngesikoloto. Ugogo maseka hola pension niyabhadala, ngithatha okunye futhi, same system. Ngathi sesiyadlala sidle ikhabishi nespinach, ngapha ngicela i150 yakho ukuthi mina I can multiply. Yabona mamntana kaNkulunkulu uzoyandisa. That's the principle of the Bible. Ukuthi you need to learn to multiply whatever income you have as a child of God. Successfully multiply imali yakho, you become what God intended you to be. And I thought ngicela ungithembe mama, ngiyazi ukuthi ngidisappointile, kodwa ngicela meeting, ngicela ungithembe ngale 155. I think that's 155
imali kade ihola.
Ngangena ku Sowetan ngabheka kwathiwa okay kunama advert modeling agency, ngathi le ayifuna degree. Ngithi I came back as a pregnant teenager, no degree in hand. Ngathi le uyasmile, how difficult can that be?
Akekho ngakwazi ukusmile. Uyazi ukuthi khona intombazane ekulalele njengamanje ihlele ekhaya, ukuhlele kuthiwa wavumuhle, akana certificate, akana lutho, uyakhala, uyazi ukuthi hayibo nami ngingavuka ngiyithathe ngokusmile nje kwami. I don't have to sell my body. You know, a lot of young girls swami, they've got that thing yokuthi njengoba ngiyi-slay queen, njengoba ngina-layer waistline ngikwazi ukutweka, it means that I can go and sell myself. No darling, you don't need to sell yourself. There are people that do this professionally, and you don't sell your body, you sell your talent, you sell your beauty in a constructive way. Uyakwazi ukujoin modeling agency, ngayijoina i-G3 models, ngamodelisha, bangitshela ukuthi you're not tall enough. Ngathi mina ngithagethe Naomi Campbell, you need to have a benchmark. Ufuna ukuba Naomi Campbell,
you need to have a benchmark. Kumele uvule lama magazine uthi mina ngifuna ukufana noMihlali, ngifuna ukufana nobani, ngifuna ukufana nobani, benchmark with a local girl and say that girl, she's making it, how can I not make it? What made her? Yeah. So I did that, and I benchmarked an international game in being international. Naomi Campbell. She's tall, she's fabulous, she's dark skinned like me. Ngati chona kona ngati I can do photographic modeling. But you're so confident and well spoken. Ngati, you know, as young people, when you've got a talent that nobody has, and you must benchmark again, I had the accent that South Africans didn't have. I had the energy they did not have. I had the body most of them did not have, because I was gymming. You need to work for your art.
Lalela into engiyithandayo, uyabona njengoba manje ukhuluma isingisi, ngiyamxolisela abalaleli bokhozi, ngiyamxolisela. Ngiyayazi mina indaba yokuthi noma ekhaya uthe uzalwa umsuthu bese uphinda uzalwa umntwana, kodwa umkhulu wayehlala ekukhulumisa isingisi. Angithi
wayehlala ngikhulumisa isingisi, bekangena e-Fort Hare phela, bekafunda e-Fort Hare mkhulu. So you know, eSoweto we speak all languages, sikhuluma zonke ilimi. But mina I'm that person ukuthi mangiphuma eZimbabwe, I didn't know sisi a single language as a South Africa. Bengazi Shona nesilungu, and I taught myself. So I'm talking to a young girl out there who says I don't know something. Let me tell you something. If you want to know something, mawufuna ukwazi something ngempilo yakho, zihluphe ngokuresearcha, zihluphe ngokusamplisha, zihluphe ngokubreak isilungu sakhona, usibreak until you make it. Usibreak baloko bathi she can't speak, uthi yeba can't speak, uloku mamela ama podcast, mawukhuluma nami ukhuluma isingisi, mawukhuluma nosisi ukhuluma isiZulu futhi usample ngapha nangapha, ukuthi mabethi we are ready now, ama auditions uthi sing ready for everything. Ngiready for isingisi, ngiready for isiZulu.
Siqala ukwazi ke thina abantu abaningi abalalele njengamanje usuqueen wakaMoroka. Ufika kanjani manje ka generation?
Ka generations, like I'm saying to these young people, ukuthi kwavele advert kwathiwa casting agency looking for a receptionist. Ngathi okay sengimodel manje sengunami Campbell South Africa kodwa ke ngidinga more money ngoba nayomeka sebenza every day. Ngathi ngifuna a full time job but remember ngisenomntwana ekhaya umele adle isinkwa umele adle aphuza ubisi right whilst mina ngisebenza. So I had to think about that ukuthi kunomntwana omele uma wakhe ekhaya. As young as I am kunomntwana omele uma wakhe I need to work. Ngapply ngathi ngifuna uba receptionist ku casting agency. Ngathi bathi uzowenzani ngathi I'll sit at the reception ngiphendula ama phone. Ngiyabona ukuthi lento reception iphuma phi. Ngathi ngizophendula ama phone ngireceive wonke ama fax wama casting. Ngabona eGoli Place of Gold. Ngabona generations ukuthi ayiSophie. Ngathi insipho yini? Kwenzakalani ngalensipho?
iSophiani le.
iSophiani le bathi insipho Sophie what? Drama mina ngazi drama. iSophie ngiyazi I mean ngisiyazi abo eGoli ukuthi ama Sophie but it was not popular with us eGoli. It was very islung right? So abantu abaningi bebangayibukela abantu abamnyama because it was open time but abantu abaningi bebangena open time because it was a cost right? So besibukelela uSimunye we are one right? And I then worked there kwangena fax yathi Sophie ngathi iphethu bani uQueen noKarabo ngathi ngifuna character kaKarabo. She's a model Naomi Campbell. Ngathi nayi iphathi yami uKarabo iphathi yami. Kodwa iSuthu neSitswana angisazi. iSizulu angisazi. Bathi she must be Tswana A. Wangena khona aphuma eBotswana. Wangena akhuluma iSitswana A sakhe enemude njengo Naomi Campbell. Mina ngo middle level ngahlala lapho ku audition ufaka ijacket epink nami ngifaka ijacket yami epink ufaka itop emnyama ufaka amalegi zamnyama exactly ama twins. Ngathi lo ungijwayela kabi le ntombazana yase Africa. Ngathi le part le yami le always ngihlangana naye kuma audition uhlala ethatha ama audition wami. Ngathi today it's my time and my turn. So audition umlungu ngiyamtshela lo mlungu ukuthi mina iSitswana engisiphethela ezandleni. Angithi confidence yami confidence yakhe according to me right? According to me ingcono angithi phela siyayitshela ukuthi better. Ngangena umlungu wathi so when what languages do you speak? Ngathi Zulu, Xhosa, Tswana, English, Afrikaans a bit. Angithi ngiyazi ukuthi yena ukhuluma Afrikaans. Ngathi a bit I touch on it. Got African languages. I mean can you see mina ngum Africa vele so ngizoyishaya lento. Wangodisha nomlungu azangathi do it in Tswana. Angithi umlungu
okay
ngathi one foot in the door. So I'm teaching somebody out there ukuthi mawufuna ukungena somewhere just get one foot in the door uzohlangana nokunye phambili. Lento ukuthi bathi do you know how to do this? Hi mina I don't do tea. Mina ngizela kuzoba receptionist angithelele ama boss tea angisi tea lady. Restructure your thinking. Qala ucabanga differently empilweni yakho ukuthi I'm here to serve. Ngathi one foot in the door ngizoba hlanganisa ngokuthi nje I'm here for anything. Noma yini ngizoyenza as long as inobuntu phakathi ngizoyenza ngizoniserva ngizoyenza whatever I'll run around but ngiphakathi noma nifuna assistant ku production. Senya benchmark manje ukuthi even if nifuna a receptionist even if nifuna administrator besides acting I'm here for it. Yabona manje
ungenwa kanjani
umfundi wathi this child uphuma ukhuluma too much uphuma babuza labelungu nimthathe bathi no audition she was one of the best. Manje ubaba umfundi athi okay asikhuluma iSitswana ke Sitswana dololo wathi ha wena I'm not giving you Karabo sesimcastile ngizokunika uQueen uzoza twice a week or throughout the series mhlambe unamakhola ay6 so wena uzoza kay6 abanye mhlamba uzoza kay 100 wena uzoza kay6 ngathi kay6 mina do you know who I am? Umfundi wahleka wathi lo mntana uJajaraglo uphuma phi ngathi baba ngicela uzokhuluma nawe officeini ngicela nje ungwrite in ikhona into yokuthi write in athi what do you mean write in ngathi ngicela ungibhale ungifake phakathi I won't disappoint you ngicela nje ungifake noKarabo
ukhina kaloke ebuya kaningi kaloke vela nje
you need to speak uzikhulumele lento yokuthi bathe unamakhola ay4 ay6 zanele you're going to go to ukhozi and then uzongena kay1 ngonyanga mina ngifuna kay4 I'm ready for it even if bangayibhalanga kwi brief ukuthi 4 hawa 4 ayikho kubhalwe zanele kay1 in a month mina ngathi kay4 in a month umfundi wathi so what do I write ngathi you can write anything there's ezweni communications there's the hair salon there's the coffee shop ngathi ngingangena zonke nini ngenzini wele salon
usuyamtshela wena
singamtshela script
akasifake kanjani lesi script
wathi hey lo mntana Make setiki box in a phone in those days ama cell phone bewangekho as advanced. Ngilapha, Daddy, when you finish ngecall yakho, I'm here for it. I'll go to your office. Do you want coffee? Athi coffee. I don't drink that thing. I'll make you tea. Athi tea, I don't drink it in water. I'm coming. Ngihambe ngeoffice ngimnikeza amanzi ngithi phuza ke baba sengihlele estuleni sakhe. But I didn't invite you to sit on my chair. I'm here anyway. Asikhulume songibhalile na.
Wakhula uQueen saqala ukuzwa saba wo darlings bakuthanda abantu kakhulu wa celebratewa waduma bakuthanda abantu kwafika isikhathi la ijika khona impilo wagula bona labantu akade bekuncoma bona labantu akade bekubhala kahle wagcwala watrenda ku social media babhala yonke into bahlekisa ngawe kwakhona izithombe ezitrendayo zakho kwaze kwafika nala kuthiwa khona hayi ushonile akasekho sitshele ngalezo sikhathi ukuthi kukuphathe kanjani lokho kwasho ukuthini kuwena
you know zanele kunento ekuthiwa depression. I went into deep depression long before isithombe sitrenda. Bengiphethe depression yami yalezinto bezenzakala ngaleso sikhathi. And that is how I got to lose a lot of weight without realizing ukuthi nokuthi ngisengiyiluzile. Uke wabona Zanele ukhumbula ugqoka size 36 38 and mawuzibuka esipilini in the depression you are looking size 36 38 kodwa when somebody is staring at you babona umuntu ogqoka age 13 to 14 yabantwana benguweya of 42 kgs.
Ima ubusunga kanani?
I was wearing 13 to 14 age clothes, right? Weight yam 42 kgs from 89 kgs. It was half of me. Ngaleso sikhathi mangizibuka esipilini abantu mabethi hi bangibuka ba walker namba ngibuka ba stare bayenza yonke lento mina ngithi babona uQueen. Mina ngithi babona mina babona uQueen bajabulile ukuthi hayi nangu uQueen nangu darling kanti bayamangala ukuthi nangu lo muntu uyafa uyabona yini ukuthi uyafa lo muntu
ubuzibona kodwa wena?
No, I was in depression, deep depression. And what was scary is that abantu who around me, that's how I select your friends carefully. Select abantu bazohamba nabo carefully. Select even your future carefully. Because abantu aba next to you, abakutsheli ukuthi sekushubile, something has changed about you. Ake sihlale phansi sizwe ukuthi what's the problem sisi? Nobody sat me down to say bozohlala phansi because vele mawusemshadweni uyazifihla. Uzifihlela emshadweni wakho. So mina I'm saying labantu abaseceleni kwami at that time, not one person said sokunenkinga sisi awuzasikhulume udliwa yini awungitshela ukuthi udliwa. Nobody did that until one day kwi COVID omunye umngani wami athi kimi I think you need a psychologist. Not psychologist inle for what? Ngoba thina abantu abamnyama we don't believe in those things. Ngiyomtshela indaba zami ama secret wami umuntu engamazi anyeke athi ngiyokhokhela.
Ngaphandle ukuthi sifike lapho usuya kwi psychologist ngifuna ukusho ukuthi mawuvuka ekseni kumbe kukhona abakuthumelelayo ngoba khona abantu abangenabo ngempela umuntu abaze bakutheke kulezi zinto uyatrenda igama lakho li all over izinto eziningi ezisho engezona kuthini kuwena unomntwana unjalo nje unomndeni unabantu abakuthandayo kuthini kuwena mawubona lento
Magu depression Zanele you are snapper in and out so mang in yonke lento ngibuza yona exist ayikho futhi angiboni let's just agree angiboni then mang snapper out to reality sengiyabona ukuthi hayibo kuthi ngiyatrenda ngani mangibuka izithombe hila ngithola ishock khona mangifunda abantu who are supposed to as women supporting other women siphuma ku women's month Zanele women bayahlebana women bakufaka ku group bayenza inhlekiso ngawe over lunch over lama kitchen party wabo but chomi phela simbonile hayi kuyaphela ngaye sokuphele kodwa thu lo muntu akaza kutshontshela akaza kuthathele anything umkhuluma kabi uhleba ngaye umshaya kuma group uyatrenda ku Facebook group igroup ye Facebook mhlambe igroup ye furniture uyatrenda ku group ye furniture kukhulunywa ngawe ku group ye furniture kuma WhatsApp status uwe Sophie let's pray for Sophie kodwa abathandazeli uSophie kuthiwa let's pray for Sophie kodwa I don't think bayangena on their knees and say God save her God bring her up God restore lo muntu umbuyise azabonakala ukuthi she's a great fighter and a warrior ye kingdom kaNkulunkulu and that broke me It broke me because abantwana bami were helpless. Abantwana bami beba depende kuma wabo ukuthi she must be a breadwinner Zanele. I didn't work for 3 years. Abantwana bami, they were living from hand to mouth. Bas banceda abanye abangani bami bancedwa ifamily ukuthi baze badle, baze baphile. Ngapho mama bayazibuza ukuthi simncwaba nini. You understand? Ngapha umama uluza ama assets, uluza ama company, uluza imali, uluza imoto, uluza imizi. Abhala amaphepha,
bahlekise ngami. Imoto ihambile, kuphinde sivuke ekseni front page, indlu iyadliwa. Kuhlekwe kube mnandi
trend. And uNkulunkulu Zanele wathi, I'm going to have the last laugh. Yimina ngizohleka okugcineni.
Hayi Nkosi yami.
Yimina ngizohleka okugcineni because I'm going ngizokuthatha labathi bakubeke labathi where they think. Maybe I'm not speaking Zulu correctly. Labathi bakubeke khona mina ngizokuthatha ngiku restore ngishintsha, but that's not the story yet. The story is that I had to fight a good fight Zanele. I had to refocus, go on my knees, fight. There was a day ngivuka ngine stroke. Ngithola message nje ngenayo ngisitele stupini COVID ngathola stroke yashintsha amagiya ibody yami yazi ingoma kaMakhadzi ethi shintsha amagiya ngashintsha amagiya uke wabona inhlombe ishintsha amagiya isandla sishintsha amagiya umlomo ushintsha amagiya and nginomfana wami endlini umfana wami had to carry uma wakhe oweya 42 kg angithwale angise kamereni athi mama what can I do because if you go to the hospital mawungaya nje esibhedlela mawungangena uCovid awusaphumi you're diabetic, which means awusaphumi because abantu abadiabetic are higher risk. Whatever ailment you have, treat it ekhaya. So fonela abangani bami ama doctor sababuza ukuthi what do we do? Bamnikeza therapy treatment ukuthi angenze njani naturally so nama oils nani umfana wami uyena beka massage uma wakhe at the age of probably 20. He was massaging uma wakhe amassage le nyawo le hlombe athi mama press here are you going to shower fake it tight again then ngisandle si1 then mina ngizokuvulela amanzi eshaweni ushawa ugeze ubuye I'll carry you back to the bed. Bazali, the things we put our children through.
Nkosi yami, lo muntu ogulayo, lo muntu ono 3 years ongasasebenzi, lo muntu ingane zakhe seyicela, lo muntu odliwelwa imoto nendlu. uSophie okade enza imicimbi emkhulu eya ko Dubai eya ko Mauritius enza imshado esezingeni yilo Sophie abantu akade bemcelebrate izolo kodwa impilo ishintsha kanje
ishintsha overnight.
Sitshele ngokugula kwakho nangoshukela idiabetes.
Ukugula kwami ngathola mhlambe 8 years ago and ngihamba nje ku mall. Remember abazali bami, that's why people mani nabazali abane diabetes be careful because it's hereditary lento uzoyithola inesifuzo. Am I right? Mangithi inesifuzo and I got it inesifuzo. I believe ne lifestyle yami angithi ngibusy ngidla ama McDo ngidla ama coffee ngidla ama tea ngidla ini ama chisanyama lana and I don't realize ukuthi ngiya mix and match esiswini sami and because of lento inesifuzo it got attracted yathi we are activating this in your body and the next thing I know sengiya almost collapse in a mall sengingena ku emergency room sengiyatshela ke ukuthi sisi you are now type 2 diabetic and you are it's lifestyle orientated so mele ushintshe lifestyle yakho awusadli papa awusadli rice awusadli ini. It was a culture shock because it was either death or that and by the time ngihlanganisa depression benginayo ngaleso sikhathi with diabetes because kunezinto that you're not supposed to mix together azihambisani. Diabetes ne stress they don't go together. Diabetes nokudla nje akuhambisani. So I got very ill because manje ngistressed which means stress sisa diabetic level yami phezulu which means I now start breaking fat which means I start losing a lot of weight drastically and fast. Because now there's a combination of depression, stress and diabetes as best friends. Sokwabangane manje sokwama best friends. So mabehlangene uyakwazi ukuthi manje ubone ukuthi hayi no matter how well you eat it doesn't matter for as long as the stress esikuwe sisekhona. So I needed Zanele to make serious decisions ukuthi this is not good for me. I need to learn to walk away. Mele ngikwazi ukuthi mayinto ingasangisebenzeli. Abafazi out there abathi bayimbokodo, don't be imbokodo for your health. Don't be imbokodo for your future, because this imbokodo thing, we take it too far where we simela noma yini. Sibekezela noma yini, noma usomshado nobhedayo sohleli nje because what ufuna ukuhlala abantu bazothini. Yo, next door phela bazuba bangithengela imoto. Manje mase ngihamba sengigibela ama taxi abantu bazothini. Mina I decided to make a decision zanele ngathi I'm going to walk away and I'm going to walk into my new journey noNkulunkulu with nothing.
Angifuna ukungena kakhulu kuleyo ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi sonke sinezinto esithi angikabi ready ukukhuluma ngazo emphakathini, kodwa abantu bayazi ukuthi uke washada kwangahamba kahle. Ngifuna ukwazi nje ukuthi mawuphuma yizini izinto oyifundile eyintweni zothando nomshado.
Ungasheshi. Ngifunde ukuthi ungasheshi. Sibadala that thing mele uyazi zanele mawukhula or mabekulaya ekhaya ukuthi uyashesha mntanami buya ungasheshi. Yes, you ignore. Masamathandeni
mawusheshesha usho ukuthi ungasheshi uthi usando kumazi umuntu ungakamazi kahle ugijime uthi ngiyashada ngiyangena.
Ugijime mina iadvice
ngoba ujabule ngoba kumnandi.
Akube mnandi if asakuthanda uzokumela sis. If akuthanda kamampela uzokumela 1 year 2 years until you are ready. Ubona ukuthi financially I'm ready, mentally I'm ready, emotionally I'm ready, career wise I'm ready. Wazi ukuthi sengi together, ngi project together in order, because a marriage is a project ngokwayo. So if wena project Sophie awukho ready beso thatha enye project under your wing uthi ngizoyi manager uzo crash. I crashed because I was never ready. Azange ngihlale phansi ngithathe ball pen ngithi 1 + 1 is 2. So mangithatha 2 ngimhlanganisa nomunye 2 zenza 4. Azange bahlanganisa labo because bengisitshela ukuthi 1 + 1 is 1 is 1 is 1 is 1, and that's how the way izohlala njalo. Kanti no, azange benjalo, and I learned my lessons. And let me tell you Zanele, angina ma regret, nginesifundo that I'm going to one day soon share with people through my book, share with people through my movie, where I'm going to show them mangivuke ekseni ngikhala every day. Ngize ngibuza uNkulunkulu ngithi uNkulunkulu, do you think there is a day that I would cry?
Ukhala zonke izinsuku. Abantu la ngaphandle bazi ukuthi uQueen celebrity mawuqhamuka kufanele ube muhle, abantu babone ukuthi
bongingena kune a year emshadweni wami ngikhala every day bese kunesikhathi bengikhohlwe noNkulunkulu ngingasathandazi because it was just too much. Ngizibuza ukuthi uNkulunkulu, when is the day la ngizovuka ngijabulile full time ngivuke, yes mangiwalk out ufake lipstick shayi weave yami ngiyaphuma, whether I look like a scarecrow, whether I look like ungathi sengiyafa, but kumina I'm walking so I'm fine. Uyayitshela futhi ukuthi right, yes convince futhi ukuthi right. And that day came where God akhuluma nami athi mntanami, let's go.
Phuma la.
Funa mina. Yimina indoda enye ngidisappoint uNkulunkulu Zanele is the only man who will never leave and forsake you, and akusindoda. He will not lie to you. He will not akutshela manga. He will not confuse you. Kunemshado Zanele emnandi kabi. Kunemshado esingayibheka sibuke sithi yo uZanele nomfundisi no bishop yo mangaba nomshado, and they don't know ukuthi in that beautiful marriage kunama challenges as your project no bishop enilungisayo ukwenzela ukuthi thina masibukile sithi wow, but there's challenges, and those are my challenges.
Usafisa ukushada? Uzoshada futhi mngani?
Oh yes ngani. Yo ababhuti baningi la ngaphandle abahot yo. Ngeke ngihlale ngedwa mina, ngibe lonely, ngihlale ngedwa nina nivuka no bishop bese mina ngihlala ngedwa. Ngeke bhekani yebo umuntu khona kodwa nama interview asavuliwe, abafuna ukusondela mabasondele doll, kodwa ohluphekile ngimfuni. I serve a God of glory, a God of everything.
Akushongo mina bafethu niyazi. So sisazokikiza nje futhi.
Yeah. No, definitely. And when I think uBishop uzoba officiator afike laphana athi Sophie, are you ready? Ngithi yes Bishop. I'm ready again.
Ngiyakuthanda indlela olithanda ngayo uthando. Malaleli bokhozi, ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba nilalele abaningi benu sebethumelile nama voice note, abanye bayangena ko Facebook bayabhala izinto abafisa ukuzisho ku Sophie. Kodwa ke ngifuna simuve manje ekutheni kuyo yonke lento yini oyifundile, futhi uma ngabe usuka la yiziphi izinto ozozenza ezihlukile, ngoba uyazi kulolu hambo lakho bekumele sibe no 2 hours ngiyeqa nje ngiyeqa okuningi ngoba ngijahe ekutheni uhluphekile, uhlekiwe, kubukisiwe ngawe, kodwa la ukhona manje uvukile wayithatha wathi angeke ngize ngifele la mina, ngizovuka ngiyithathe ngiqhubeke futhi nempilo.
Uhambo noNkulunkulu kusukela ku11 kuya ku12.
Hey mamzanele, asiyaluza uhambo, siyalubonga lunohlonze usitholele leyo ntokazi. Hayi siyabonga, siyaweza amaqiniso. Hayi siyabonga Zanele, niyasebenza. Hayi bandla nideka amagulu. Siyabonga kakhulu. Uza khona phuma lecalizwe ngalesibheke.
#sikhuphukele isilo mamambokazi kuhambo lwami. Saze sabhlungu mambokazi, istory sika mama uQueen Moroka siyamazi kakhulu. Sasibona ithombe zastrenda, singazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yakhe, kodwa nje kukho konke ngibonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu uye wamthwala wamdlulisa kukho konke. Nakho namhlanje uyaphila, uyakwazi ukuzokhuluma ngazo njengoba esho ukuthi wandlula wazi wafika ku-depression, kodwa uNkulunkulu akazange amlahle, bengakulahla bonke, usaphila. Ngiyambongela ngalokho nje, ngiyabonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu muhle zikhathi zonke akashiyani. Ngiyabonga mambokazi ubuyi Mashezi Makubane ngisepekastani.
Sanibonani ukhosini, Nkosi yami. Hey. Saze lamnandi uhambo, liyang-inspirisha. Yazi sekhona izinto ayithintile kumina, uSophie. Ngavuka wathi wangivusa. Hayi sengivukile bandla. Ngiyayithanda naleyo ukuthi hey ungasheshi. Zinika isikhathi mayekuthanda uzokulinda. Nanokuthi ungahlali entweni ngoba nakuthi abantu bezothini. Yazi Nkosi yami, besidinga modern lesi sikhashana esincane yazi noQueen. Hayi bese kudinga bandla lokho, ngabe sengifunde oluningi. Yebo siyabonga.
Mamzanele, kodwa ungenzani mamzanele mbokazi? Waze wangisurprise mawami, waze wangisurprise wangilethela umphefumulo awuQueen Moroka. Awu darling. Awu kodwa Nkosi yami, uDavid Chelo kwaDuka uzomlalela uqavile. Ngiyabonga thank you mina Queen Moroka.
Sabona bambokazi. Sis Queen umam Sophie. Yebo, wazayikhuluma indaba enkulu ukuthi select abantu ohamba nabo. Ngoba siyahamba nabantu basijikele endleleni. Akhulume yonke into abayithandayo abantu endleleni. Basenze noma yini ebuhlungu uNkulunkulu angayithandi. Kodwa ngiyabonga bakuthi wena select people abantu angeke bekutshele noma usu-wrong, abantu behamba ngawe bekukhuluma behind your back. Ngiyakubonga lokho. Ukhuluma nothulane emhlungu eGlenco kuyisifundo leso.
Sizanele angibingelele lapho noSophie niyaphila bosisi. Hayi cha uyabona mina shem igeneration ngangithanda igeneration manje ngayithandiswa uQueen. Mangibuke yena yazi ngimthanda lo sisi mayisekhuluma sengathi uyazeba qoqa amehla akhe. Hayi shem hayi uyabona sesiloke hayi wangithandisa igeneration kuze kube yimanje igeneration ngisayithanda nje ayithandiswa uye. So manje ngisacela ukubuza ukuthi usisiQueen ubhizi ngani manje, usazoqhubeka yena act mhlambe noma mhlambe nje seyiyeke ukuyeka nje mhlambe lokho lapha sawu actor khona. Ngiyabonga mamzanele khona ufana wangobane baba kaMashitanke.
Siyabonga kubalaleli bethu ababuzayo la kuSophie. Sophie uyabona ukuthi uyohlezi uQueen.
Ngiyohlala ngoQueen.
Uyabona ukuthi uyohlezi
i-royalty name engayinikwa uNkulunkulu.
Ayishintshe lento. Bayabuza abalaleli bathi njengamanje asisakuboni ku TV, awusakuboni la uactor khona, kwenzekani? Kuyo yonke lento oyifundile, kubo bonke lobuhlungu, ungena kubudlelwane, ungena emshadweni, uphume, ukugula, nako konke lokho kade kwenzeka, ufundile okuningi, washintsha indlela ocabanga ngayo. uNkulunkulu kuyisaphi manje?
Yazanele mangiphuma emshadweni wami I walked away ngena lutho esikhwameni. Ngangena emzini wami bengushile ngurentisile ngacela abashuke bahamba bangishenga ikwelete eziningi labantu bebarenta lapha because COVID abantu bebangasebenzi. Kodwa ngathi uNkulunkulu let me forget ikwelete kancane. Awuthi ngicleave unto you. Awuthi ngisondele kuwe. Awuthi kube wena ongimthembayo ukuthi uzongishintsha i-direction of thinking ukuthi manje ngiyaphi from here.
Ngoba wena ubuwazi ukuthi wenza lo msebenzi, wenza ama-events, uya-actor.
Sengiluze ama-warehouse wami, sengiluze imoto zami, sengiluze imizi ethu, I mean benginemizi mhlambe 4-5 bese ngiluzile
Neyimoto ezinhle.
bengiluze ama Porsche any car you can think of benginayo sengiziluze zonke ngihlele endlini it's me noNkulunkulu ngihlele phezulu kwecarpet ekhushi comfortable kodwa mina I'm not comfortable because anginalutho I'm starting from zero anginamoto angina nase fridge anginakudla zanele anginalutho and I had to say God you are the same God bekanginike zonke lezi zinto enazange ngidonsa indoda ukuthi mina lezi zinto ngisebenzele ngezandla zami you are the same God ozongirestore so I had to reignite personal relationship yami noNkulunkulu ngimthembe ngithi baba sifeka ama targets manje yabona amadila noNkulunkulu zanele kumele ushaya ama targets I'm teaching abafazi who think you cannot walk away if it's not serving you walk away phuma futhi phuma ungaphuma walk phuma ugijima
baleka
bangazokudonsa bathi hayi man I can fix this uthi I've given you ama chance ukuthi ufixe 1 2 3
ngamanye amazwi uthi zama wenze konke kodwa mangalungi baleka
sekuyisikhathi kaNkulunkulu angithi nginike umuntu ophila emhlabeni ichance senginike uNkulunkulu manje chance so that was my change ngathi uNkulunkulu we need to do this step by step so into engifuna ukufundisa abantu ukuthi irestoration ayihambi ngehaba ihamba step by step I had to choose ngifuna imali ngifuna ibusiness or ngifuna mina now let me tell you a secret mawungena wena all those things ozifuna ngeke uzithole no matter how smart you are mele ubuyise wena qala ubuyise lengqondo beku depression ubuyise lo mzimba bohambile othusa abantu acabanga ukuthi soyafa ubani ozokunikeza imali zanele ulukha ungathi soyafa kodwa so I had to do the right thing lungisa uSophie qala lungisa yena shut down the noise ama journalists ayafona bayabhala hey today she loses a car today she loses a house tomorrow kolota bani ngathi those things are already there I've got nothing zanele I had a line
abasanga ngithuka
I had line ethi nothing left to lose
ayishimngani
ngala empilweni yakho mawuphethe nothing left to lose esandleni sakho uthi njengoba I've got nothing left to lose it means I can maneuver my new season noNkulunkulu wami I can now start planning ukuthi I need flesh by flesh emzimbeni wami that's number 1 I need my sanity that's number 2 ehambisana ingqondo nomzimba
wami ube yiwo
mase sibuyile ngihlele ke ngithi uNkulunkulu uyakhumbula sengineyikwelete leziya ezi outstanding ngisova kanjani ngoba angasebenzi in 3 years ngizibuyisa kanjani kuhlekiswa ngami la ngaphandle kuthiwa kuphelile ngaye hayi seka yafa hayi uNkulunkulu wathi trust me that step by step okhulume ngayo bali list ngashaya top 10 ukuthi ngifuna ukurestore ini ngathi ikwelete God dissolve them because I can't dissolve them how does God dissolve ikwelete zanele usidissolve ngokuthi akunikeze that thing amathuba and also ukufacer yabona call my call abathi uyakolota uyaphendula uthi yebo
ngiyakolota ngiyazi ngiyakweleta
imagine umuntu ofana noSophie Ndaba ukuthi uyakolota kufona i-credit controller on the other side athi but I thought uSophie Ndaba bekanemali manje bayenzeni ngemali echemile ama celebrity yazi badlala ngemali azange ingene eklabheni ngiphuza imali doll you need to understand ukuthi when a woman is going through a storm umfazi anyeka azathatha imali ayodlala ngayo emaphathini something happens khona into enzekile ungasheshi ujudge umngani wakho ungasheshi wena ntombazana wena mama ngaphandle ujudge your neighbor your friend and you think you know it all ayikho into oyaziyo
Sophie ngenxa yesikhathi ngifuna sigijime sitheni wenzani manje lo mbono uNkulunkulu akunikeze wona wathi ubhlungu bakho ungahlali kubhlungu bakho busebenziseke manje ukuze ukhipha abanye bangangeni kulezi zinto
ithi ngikutsheleke zanele before the end of the year kune product engiyilauncha ngizoyilauncha ku Facebook ku Instagram nawe I'll come and tell you about it hopefully uzongi-invite futhi sengibatshela nge slimming tea nge tea yoku detoxa we must live healthy so I'm becoming a wellness coach graduating next year la ngizoba ne practice yami la ngizabe ngifundisa abantu ukuthi kuphilwa kanjani not lento yokuthi kuma Facebook kubhalwe drink as many pills as you want drink eat as much as you want ngadli pizza ngadlani and then uphuze le pills uzoslima that's dangerous never fall for that I'm willing to stand for that don't stand for that go for health first so every product things abenginayo is going to heal you it's going to help you uNkulunkulu ngibeke la allowed me to go through that journey zanele so that he can teach me about wellness teach me about responsibility and also a life coach where I'm going to teach women hlakanipha ntombo ungasheshi ukhetha abangani, male or female, you must know how to choose. And more importantly, you first. It's God first, then it's you. Uzithande, uzinika ama affirmations every day uthi ngiyakuthanda Zanele. Zanele umuhle Zanele. Zanele, you are sexy. In fact, manje so we slay queen samampela kamanje Zanele. It doesn't matter your age. You slay lo kuna 60. Mina ngislay ngilo kuna 50 manje ngishisa abantwana bana 30 ngithi imala eceleni kwami sibonisane. Ngibashisa ngomlilo.
Lalela sisi. uNkulunkulu njengoba ekunikeza ithuba umuhle, siyabona ubuyile, uSophie muhle, uyasebenza manje, uhambe ekhuluma nabantu besifazane ebakhulisa ngokomqondo. Ukuba ubunethuba lokuthi qala kabusha wenze impilo yakho, yini obuzoyishintsha?
Consult uNkulunkulu before you do anything.
Buza uNkulunkulu.
Buza uNkulunkulu faster. Thathi iviki nje uku-consult uNkulunkulu ukuthi baba ngifuna ukwenza le project njengoba ngenza iShiza Wonder. There's a project uNkulunkulu anginike yona. iShiza Wonder is a movement yabafazi where women come together and heal and talk about inkinga zabo. If you go to Shiza Wonder _Africa, you will see, even on my Instagram page Sophie Ndaba _ you will see a lot of things engizenza engizilonchayo. I'm also going to be doing a cooking show where I'm going to be showing people how to eat well. So there's so many things Zanele that when God is restoring you just have to seek him for the ideas. And also abomama ngicela ukusho before ngihamba Zanele, make time for yourself. Lento ukuthi uhlala usemapatini, uhlala uhamba ama stockfele, even uhlala usesontweni, uNkulunkulu ukufuna with himself alone, so that make kunikeza ama ideas to move it to another level. You have got time to listen. We are too busy Zanele, we are too busy to hear the voice of God. So you need to make time to hear the voice of God, so that make khuluma kunike direction, it's clear. Mina uNkulunkulu ngabo 3 nokungivusa anginike ama idea Zanele ngithi this one athi yes unginike lena yekarela lengizoyithengisa le yabantu abadiabetic unginike yona ngo3 ekseni ngahamba ekseni ngayirevitiza ngayiprepare yaba sold out same day ngathi this is what God is talking about.
Sisi abantu abafisa ukukuthola nabafisa ukukulandela usushilo wathi khona ku Instagram iyona ndlela engcono yokuxhumana nawe yiphe?
Facebook Sophie Ndaba, Instagram Sophie Ndaba _ listen, let's talk guys, asikhulumeni, asihelpaneni azabo mama, asupportaneni. We are busy supporting one product akubo USA nabo China, thina sikhona. Let's support each other, let's build each other abafazi. Ineighbor yakho mayithengisa amagwinya ungathengi kumChina, thenga kuneighbor yakho. Let's build each other.
Sisi siyabonga kakhulu. Uyazi into engiyithandayo ngawe uwena ubuyile uNkulunkulu namhlanje usinikeza ithemba ngoba masibuka wena siyabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu unamandla, uyakwazi ukubuyisa ngempela konke okade kuntshontshwe isikhonyane. Kubuyile kuwena, sikufisela inhlanhla, sikufisela konke okuhle. Siyazi ukuthi abantu besifazana abaningi bayabukela kuwena, futhi siyazi ukuthi sisazohamba olutho uhambo nawe njengoba uqalele movement yakho ethi She is a Wonder. Ngenani ke nibheke bahlobo bami, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Mina ngiwuZanele wakambokazi ngcebo lapho eThekwini. Hayi ngiyabuya nami kusasa iyobonana kusasa na kanjani.